Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. Today I am diving deep into a crucial yet often overlooked part of your Samsung Galaxy device, the Samsung Visual Cloud Core. If you have ever wondered how your phone magically generates AI images, then this video is for you. I will explain what it is, how it works, and why it's essential for your device. So, what's exactly Samsung Visual Cloud Core? In simple terms, it's a software component that acts as a bridge between your phone's application and Samsung's cloud servers. It's the engine behind the AI image generation feature you see on your Galaxy device. When you use an app that generates an AI image, the app sends a request to the Visual Cloud Core. This core then communicates with Samsung's cloud, which handles the complex AI processing needed to create the image. Then the generated image is sent back to the Visual Cloud Core, and finally the core delivers the image to your app. Think of it as a translator and a delivery service, ensuring your requests are understood and the generated images are delivered back to your app seamlessly. This process happens very rapidly, allowing for a smooth and efficient user experience. Samsung is constantly updating this core to improve efficiency, to patch bugs, and this is why you will see it updated via Galaxy Store. Why is this important? Well, without the Visual Cloud Core, your device won't be able to access the powerful AI image generation capabilities that Samsung offers. It's a critical component for features like generative edit and other AI picture editing tools. As Samsung continues to integrate more AI features to your devices, the Visual Cloud Core will become even more essential. It ensures that these features run smoothly and efficiently, enhancing your overall user experience. It allows for cloud-based AI processing, which means that the AI processing power is not limited to the hardware of your phone. So there you have it, the Samsung Visual Cloud Core explained. It's a vital part of your Samsung's ecosystem that enables the amazing AI image generation features you love. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.